Hey everybody, it's 11:47 in 20 seconds. This is mini number 1 for the 3 Spider-Man books. Over here are the 12 filled spots. And before I start this, I just want to say the reason for the big delay, two things. First of all, my computer froze. But before my computer froze, this thing right here, the mouse wasn't working. So this is a touchscreen computer. I tried to cut and paste just using my fingers, and somehow I cut and paste not the 12 filled spots that are over here, but I also cut what said filled in order. So there were 13 spots. So before the computer froze, I noticed that there were 13 spots in there. Then the computer froze. So I rebooted. I had the use of my mouse back, and here we go. The number is 10. I'm going to randomize 10 times. First place gets the first 4 open spots. Second place gets the next 2. Best of luck. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and here comes the final one, 10. Dave Pickett comes in first. John Maldonado comes in second. Time is now 11:48. I don't know why this is down here. 11:48 and 4.